You want to know what's getting deployed to New Orleans? Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Cruise Chatter. It'll look here to bring you some information about Carnival today. And Carnival to deploy bigger cruise ships in New Orleans. New Orleans, however you pronounce it. You know the drill. So Carnival Cruise Lines is pulling back the curtain on its 2027-28 deployments, and the first announcement reveals a plan to boost capacity in New Orleans. The cruise line will continue to homeport 2 ships year-round in the Big Easy, but starting in May 2027, the Carnival Dream will replace the Carnival Valor, boosting double occupancy guest capacity by about 700 passengers per sailing. So it's going to be a little big when it comes to more passengers. Between the Dream and the Liberty, the cruise line will offer a wide assortment of itineraries in cruise length, including visits to ports in the Western Caribbean and the Bahamas, and to Carnival's new private destination, Celebration Key. So I see that the Liberty here will have double occupancy. We continue its deployment in New Orleans, sailing alongside the Dream. So you have those 2 cargo ships there. If both ships sail with all berths occupied, the Dream and the Liberty can accommodate between 4,600, should have been backwards, between 3,700 and 4,600 respectively, an indication of the cruise line's faith in the growing New Orleans cruise market. Oh, very good. I know Uncle David's going to be happy about this. Indeed, in 2024, the cruise line celebrated its 30th anniversary operating year-round voyages from the port, which is the 7th busiest port in North America based on cruise arrivals. The Dream, the first ship in the line's Dream class, currently sails year-round from Galveston. Nor yet on which Carnival cruise line will replace her in the Gulf Coast. Wait a minute. Isn't the Jubilee already there? Well, we'll see. Dream, which entered service in 2008, will wrap up her Texas deployment in early May 2027 with a 7-night Bahamas cruise calling on Nassau, Key West, and of course Celebration Key. She will sail her first voyage from the port of New Orleans on May 16, 2027, making her first cruise from the Big Easy since her last deployment there in 2019. Holy mama, you've been there a long time ago. From New Orleans, she will operate 4 and 5-day cruises to Mexico, destinations which are not yet confirmed, but likely to include Progreso, Costa Maya, and or Cozumel. It all depends on that stuff, you know what I mean? And then the Liberty, meanwhile, is scheduled to continue operating from New Orleans at least till April 2028. And the Conquest class ship that entered service in 2005 will sail 7-day Western Caribbean and Bahama cruises, also offering itineraries that include, of course, Celebration Key. So I'm telling you, everybody's going to Celebration Key now, no matter which ship and kind of you're driving, you know what I mean? 8-day holiday sailings are also on Carnival Liberty's roster, including during the Thanksgiving and Christmas weeks, plus a longer 14-day Panama Canal voyage departing on November 28, 2027. That cruise will feature calls to Aruba, Cartagena, Colón, which is Panama Canal, Curaçao, Cozumel, and Jamaica, man. The Liberty recently emerged from a dry dock renovation that added several popular spaces, such as the Waterworks Aqua Park and the Heroes Tribute Bar and Lounge, designated for veterans and active duty military members. Carnival Valor, the ship's being replaced, but the Dream currently sails 4 and 5-night Western itinerary cruises, and the cruise line has not yet disclosed where the ship will be deployed once the Dream shipped to the Big Easy. And that's something. Well, check your itineraries, your future itineraries if you're one of those states there on one of those ships out of either New Orleans or Galveston. So you can be aware of what's happening now before it's too late. You know what I mean? Check that out. All right, guys. Any other news comes up along with all this, I'll bring it back to you. So keep informed and keep you moving forward. Amen to that, right? Enjoy your day. Talk to you all soon.